Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Thomson tablet TOA 30p. So if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you try to visit inside, just spammy pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus. So I'm gonna show the first method. Open the settings, open the apps and notifications, and tap on the CL apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just open it and click the install button. Tap on the OK, and after that go back to the app list and now look for your web browser. Tap on the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Now tap on the clear all data and tap on the OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. In this application, tap on the Get Started, Continue, and tap on the Continue with Free. Continue with ads and tap on the green circle. Now tap on the OK and add permissions to the files. The scan started, and after that your tablet should be free from any unwanted app on your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.